part of the formal process whereby the government talks to the key stakeholders in the community, whether they be the unions, whether private sector. I know next week they're talking to the Aruba Tourism Authority, so they're getting input from every side as to what the key concerns are for the next 4 years. And clearly, what we were discussing this afternoon with the Prime Minister and his team is building on the past 4 years and moving forward. The tourism industry has done very well since 2008, recovered from the financial crisis at that time. There's been significant growth, not just in the number of arrivals, but in the financial performance of the hotels. We also talked about basically costs of doing business, because the sector wants to play its part. I mean, the government has made a commitment to improving the public infrastructure. And what we want to do is to continue reinvesting in our product to ensure that, as I say, we're as competitive as possible, that we have the best product available. And I know the hotels, the Renaissance, Paul Gielen was with us in the meeting. They're investing another $10 million next year on improving the Renaissance properties. Spent $10 million this year. The Hyatt is spending another $10 million. The Marriott has just completed its upgrading. So basically what we're saying is that if we're going to be able to continue to improve, then we have to have the optimum financial and economic conditions. And that's what we were discussing with the Prime Minister. The social dialogue process works very well. It brings the three parties together, the unions, the employers and the government. And we can have an informed discussion about the best way forward. And I think you can see from many countries around the world that really is the best route to go, that there is a sense of what we can do together rather than apart, and that there is an understanding developed on all sides as to what the implications of any decision are. So I think the social dialogue process does work, and Ahata has continued to be committed to it.